Overgrown plants can actually damage your house. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Most homeowners think it's just a garden issue, but roots and moisture can become expensive problems. Branches rubbing against walls damage paint and gutters, and plants too close to the house trap moisture, which can lead to mold and pests. Keep plants trimmed back, clear around air vents, and leave space between garden beds and walls. This is your handyman mate from Scope Facilities. A tidy garden protects your home. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop